Do you want to give your videos a vibrant party vibes with colorful flashing lights? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add disco party effect in CapCut Mobile using its built-in video effects. Let's get started. Open CapCut Mobile and tap New Project. Select the video you want to edit, then tap Add to import it into the editing timeline. From the bottom toolbar, tap Effects, then select Video Effects. Browse through the available categories, and you can use the search bar to search for Disco Party. Tap Disco Party to preview the effects. You will see colorful lights and energetic visual elements that instantly create a fun dance floor atmosphere. You can also make adjustments by just clicking the Adjust button and slide the slides available depending on the CapCut version you have. When you're happy, tap the check mark to apply the effect. An effect layer will appear on the timeline. Drag the beginning or end of the layer to make the effect shorter or longer. Play your video to preview the final result before exporting. And that's how you add Disco Party effect in CapCut Mobile. You can now try yours. But don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching and happy editing. God bless.